Om Shanti. 27th July 2021. Baba's Sweet Murli. Shiv Baba says, "Sweet children, only with the power of yoga will the rust on you souls be removed. Therefore never be careless about yoga." Question: what method has the Father shown you, children, for you to claim your unlimited inheritance, in which Maya creates obstacles everywhere? Answer: the Father has shown you the method. Children, you Brahma Kumars and Kumaris are children of the one Father, brothers and sisters. Therefore, you must not criminally assault one another. Brothers and sisters must not indulge in vice. Follow Shiv Baba's directions and claim your unlimited inheritance. However, Maya is no less. She continues to create obstacles everywhere in this. You forget that you are brothers and sisters and that you are claiming your inheritance from the one Father. Song: Having found you, we have found the whole world. The earth, the sky, everything belongs to us. Essence for Dharana. First point: attain your karmatit stage and return home. However, you can only go when souls stop coming down. Keep these details in your intellect and remember the one beloved Father with a lot of love. Second, you have received enlightenment with this knowledge. Therefore, let your intellect have faith and claim your full inheritance from the Father. Wherever you may be living, make effort with the power of remembrance to make yourself the soul Sato Pradhan from Tamo Pradhan. Blessing: may you be a master creator and bring time close on the basis of your fullness and perfection. Again, may you be a master creator and bring time close on the basis of your fullness and perfection. Baba says, time is your creation and you are a master creator. The creator is not dependent on the creation. The Creator makes the creation dependent on Him, and this is why you must never think that you will be made perfect by time. You have to become full and perfect and bring time close. In any case, when any obstacles comes, it will definitely go away according to the time. But transform it before that time with your power of transformation. You will receive the credit for it. If your transformation is based on time, you will not then get any credit. Slogan: those who keep a balance of karma and yoga are true karma yogis. Those who keep a balance of karma and yoga are true karma yogis. Om Shanti.